walk right for sleep. Well, yeah, whoa. Woo, because she's got herself dizzy now.
Dance, baby.
Wow. Careful. Careful. Oh, show my mom the camping videos.
Hold on.
Oh, anything that's got music, whether it's a commercial. She's dancing like crazy. Remember what she did? It was hilarious yesterday when Peter was here.
I wish we had taken her, but
It was older one.
oh, Mom, there was a 4-year-old there that was screaming.
No, she was fine. It's just that today, because I have so much to do, is the only day she's not cooperating with me.
That's usually how it always is when she knows I have shit to do. Cooperate.
Because she gets teaching the dog, and told me to knock her over, so I can't leave her.
But I'm really, really considering going to the Beautiful. Beautiful. Clean.
Well, I'll have the Monday off.
It's really nice.
Stop! You're gonna end up in the wall.
Oh, she has. Don't worry, she has.
You're gonna hit the TV.
I mean, hunters galore. ATVers, what, like, you name it, it was just packed. Packed.
You go back up in the tent again?
I'd like to do cabins, but let's see how much they are.
Did you see Grandma Grandpa again?
No, just the one.
Shake it, baby. Shake your money maker. Shake that goozy.
Watch the TV.
Shake the goozy.
Yeah, no, she gets both arms going too, like this.
Smack your bum.
No, she does this to call dogs in.
Smack your bum.